for staying with us. The discussion is just getting better and better. It's heating up as we talk about the underperformance of the Indian spinners in comparison to the international spinners that we have seen in the World Cup. What we have done is we've asked our three guests to pick which spinners should be in the mix once Team India faces Netherlands and even South Africa. Atul, if we could start with you, how many spinners would you want to keep if we give you the option of Piyush Chawla, Harbhajan Singh or R. Ashwin?
Yeah, I would just play one spinner. I would stick to the plan which India has been playing with for the last 3-4 years. There is a knee-jerk reaction. Suddenly we see spinners doing well. Couple of good practice games where spinners did well. Suddenly the thinking has changed. It should not be.
But given two choice of spinners?
3 seamers and 1 spinner. 3 seamers and 1 spinner. Harbhajan Singh is the premium spinner and he will come good for you. Give him enough chances. If he's injured or really in a bad form, he's not really in a bad form. He's not picking wickets, but he will eventually. In bigger games, I would rather back Harbhajan than anybody else.
But if you had to go with 2 spinners, who would they be? Between Chawla and Ashwin, who would you pick?
We've already got 2 spinners. No, we've got Yuvraj Singh and Yusuf Pathan. I would rather give confidence to Yusuf Pathan and use him as a mainline spinner who can bat a bit rather than the other way around. So I am not even going for the 2 spinners. If at all, if I have to make a choice between life and death, then I will go for Ashwin rather than Piyush Chawla.
All right, thanks Atul. We'll get to Shane Bond now and get his thoughts.
I think India have got to play 3 seamers. They've got 2 other backup spinners. If they did go with the second up front spin, I'd go with Ashwin because he gives them the option to bowl with the new ball and you can hold your seamers back for the middle as well.
And also because he's not tried and tested against most of the opposition, like in case of Imran Tahir.
Well, Harbhajan to me is the number 1 spinner by far. He's a great bowler. If you play 1 spinner, he's your man. He's got the experience, and it's a different role for Ashwin to be the number 1 spinner on his own. He's always been the backup bowler with Harbhajan. Yeah.
Sanat?
I go with 3 fast bowlers and 1 spinner, and spinner is Harbhajan.
Yeah.
And I don't think we need any spinner. If you need Ashwin.
If you need Ashwin. Now, Harbhajan Singh, is it right for him to say, if the captain tells you, bowl on the power plays, or the brief is get 4 wickets even if you go and get tonked for 60. Is it right for somebody like Harbhajan and Murli to say, no, I don't want to do that, I'm happy just giving 45 or 10 without a wicket?
No, it depends on the captain. If captain says, they'll come and do it. But the captain doesn't want to put them down with confidence. Because they are big match players. If he feels that captain feels, okay, I have not seen Murli comes and bowl on power plays. Have you seen?
No, why doesn't he do it?
He can't.
Okay.
He can't grip the new ball. So there are bowlers who can bowl with the new ball, go with away, or spinner go with away, like
Ashwin can.
Ashwin.
Yeah, Yusuf Pathan can.
Yusuf Pathan can. Sehwag can. But not Murli, not Harbhajan.
Okay.
In the team, we've seen Yuvraj Singh because we're concentrating on the Indian spinners. He's gone ahead and got a fifer. Bhaji and Piyush are still coming off. We still have to see that burst from them. As Atul mentioned, is it okay that even if they come in at quarter-final stage, India should be happy and just go with the same team?
I think you can't read too much into the fifer against Ireland. Harbhajan again is a big match player. I'd expect to see the best of him in the big games in those knockout phases. And as I said, everyone said it's pretty early in the competition to be worrying about what's going on now. The tournament's won on the back half of the competition, and that's the bit that matters.
I hope the fans feel like you.
Closing comments. Closing comments. Do you want Harbhajan to be more attacking as we wind up this chat? Quickly, Atul.
Yeah, totally. I think so. He should be more attacking, and I think we are reading into it too much too soon. Just wait for it to just go on the final bend, and then you will see the spinners, especially Harbhajan, come into the fore.
All right, gentlemen, thank you very much for joining us in this discussion. We'll pick it up at 10:30. Do join us on Power Play then. For the moment, Atul Vasan, Shane Bond, Sanat Jayasuriya, thank you very much. Do join us at 10:30. Bye for now.